And India's oldest airline has a new avatar. The Tatas have given Air India its biggest makeover since its inception. In fact, 9 decades ago, CNBC-TV18's Madiha Mujawar takes us through some of the key changes that you can now see.
Speaking of the Maharaja, the rumours of his demise have been greatly exaggerated. The Maharaja will live on.
And he has new clothes, with a dash of purple and gold on his sleeves, a jewel in his turban, floral print on his tunic, and slightly understated shoes. It's an avatar that's supposed to bridge the old Air India with the new, in keeping with the airline's new mission statement.
Our aim and job is to make this airline a truly world-class and iconic airline that every Indian will be proud of. The vision we have for the airline is also in the backdrop of a new resurgent India.
The Maharaja's new clothes are not the only change. Air India has a new logo. The flying swan, stylized with the wheel of Konark, is gone, replaced by the words Air India butting against the top portion of the iconic Jharoka windows, which were once the airline's signature. It also has new livery to boot. Its aircraft will wear shades of red, gold and purple, replacing the old red and white get-up.
Air India was traditionally a red and white brand. We've introduced color. We've got this lovely purple that cues premiumness, and introduced this way of doing the gold for the frame, which is at the heart of the identity, to give it an almost tactile feel. And we've also got a signature pattern. And this also comes from our identity itself, which is from our existing tail fin. It's the chakra which we've used to actually create our pattern, which you're going to see across the identity as well.
The Tata Group has high hopes from this rebranding, setting a course to fly India's oldest airline into a new, modern era while not banishing its legacy outright.
A $400 million refurbishing exercise has also kicked off, with the promise of modern seats upholstered in the new colors that offer more comfort, redesigned cabins equipped with modern in-flight entertainment systems, and of course, new carpets. Interestingly, the new colors clearly draw inspiration from Vistaras, a sign that the Tatas acknowledge passengers identify more with brand Vistara over brand Air India, and a sign that Vistara and Air India will one day merge, in keeping with the Tata Group's long-term game plan. In Mumbai, Madiha Mujawar.
Well, in